Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So if you are marketing your business on LinkedIn, you're definitely going to want to watch this one because it's all about how to create the best performing type of content on LinkedIn that gets the most engagement. So let's dive into it. The type of content on LinkedIn that tends to perform the best is a carousel. So we're going to dive into how to create a LinkedIn carousel using Canva. And what is a LinkedIn carousel? So there are different types of content that you could publish to LinkedIn, much like other social media platforms. You can see them on Facebook, you can see them on Instagram. It's basically any piece of content where you can swipe to see several slides. That's a carousel, and you can create one in for LinkedIn. But it actually has to be a PDF format. So we're going to see how we can create that in Canva and download it as a PDF. Okay, so here we are in Canva. What you want to do is just go into create a design. Canva makes it so easy to just hit the ground running. You can just search for a LinkedIn carousel like this. Okay, and then there's templates for LinkedIn carousels. So here we're opening up a new project, and these are the dimensions. It already gives you the dimensions for the PDF slides that you want to create. And over here are pre-made templates that you can just use and update with your content. So it's really fantastic. You can just choose whichever aesthetic appeals to you. Okay, so here's a good example: how to find inspiration in 6 steps. So here is the template. You can see all 6 slides. That looks good to me. It looks very professional. So what you want to do is hit apply all 7 pages. It's adding all of those pages to your project. So now you just have to update these slides with the content that you want to use. So the first thing to note is if you only need 3 or 4 slides, you can very easily delete ones that you don't need to use. So there's a little trash can icon here. You just delete the pages that you don't need. Okay, and then there are some great elements to this template that I think make it a great to use. One is it has a little place for your branding, so you can type in the name of your business, and you can change the font right up here. You can use text here, or you can use your branded icon here. And then also this template has a URL for your website, which is great to have to let people know where they can visit your website. And this is a really good thing to have on your carousel so that people know that swipe to see more is to add a little arrow graphic. And then it's really easy to edit these slides. You really just delete and start typing. It's really all you have to do to update it. You can just drag it around to recenter if you need to. Canva gives you these nice guidelines so that it helps you align things nicely. So if you have a lot more text here, then you drag it up and down to recenter it, depending on what looks good for the content that you are adding. You can change the images here and the numbers. So you can find another image that you want to use. Let's see. Say maybe you want to use this one. So maybe you want to just use like an office-y type of background for the number. You can just grab an image and then hover over it. And when you see the purple outline here, then you want to just that should have worked. Okay, let's try that again. Like that. And it'll change around the number, which is pretty cool. And then, so you just go through and edit content to be your... So what's great about Canva is you can also set up your brand kit. So it'll allow you to create a brand kit. So for your company's branding, you can input all of the colors for your brand. You can also define the typography. And once you have your brand kit uploaded, you really just have to highlight that slide and then start clicking the color bar, and it will change the color to be in your branded colors. So highly recommend that you fill out that brand kit feature in Canva to make this process really fast. So when you are done editing your slides, you just want to go up to share and select PDF, and you can go ahead and download. So let's take a look at it. So it is one PDF. All the slides are in one PDF. So that is exactly what you want. Okay, so creating a carousel on LinkedIn is pretty straightforward. So you want to go to your profile, make sure that creator mode is turned on, and then you want to go to the activities section and click create post. And what you want to go ahead and do is click on the 3 dots, and this will give you the option to add a document. and then find that file from your downloads. And then go ahead and click done. And you can add a description, how to find inspiration, carousel. And I'll give you a nice preview of what you're about to post so you can click through and see it. And then you can click done. You can add a little intro text here if you want to, and then just click post and you're done. All right, and that's it. That is how you create a LinkedIn carousel. Hope everybody found that useful, and if you like this content, please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.